Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put symbol in Excel sheet. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to put symbol, select any cell. Then go to the insert menu, select the symbol option. Now we can see here many symbol. You can add any symbol to this symbol option. Now I am select the paragraph symbol. You can add the copyright, otherwise the rate. Now I am select this and select another symbol. Then close the panel. Now we can see we insert symbol or put symbol in Excel sheet easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.